Okay everybody, right, welcome back to Everything Retro. Glad you can join us. We're going to try and do a bit of cleaning up on this, get this patch cleaned up a little bit. We're not going to cut it out just yet, we're just going to clean it up and just make it look a bit right and see what we're working with. So we'll probably have to put a bit of paint on it for tonight because it's going to rain in a little while and we just want to get it cleaned up to see how much of it we can clean up. Right. Right, and as you can see, that hole is now gone from there, all the way along. So when somebody says, "Yo, I just need a small bit of welding done, mate," don't worry about it. But when you clean it up, this is what it comes like. As you can see, it's completely gone. So we're going to be welding a plate probably all the way to about here, all the way down. That's how far it's already gone. I used to hate it when I used to do welding for people when they used to, their car used to fail and they used to come to my house or come to my garage and they used to look up and say, "Oh, I've got this tiny bit of welding, mate. Just share. How much for that little bit?" And I could explain to them, once time you clean this up, it might be here, by the time you clean it up, it'll be all the way down here. As you can see, it's gone further. And that's the reason why MOT welding is very expensive. Right, there we go. We'll do a bit more cleaning up as we go. This is just going to use up a lot of camera, so we'll clean all the bottom up and then we'll see exactly what we've got to work with.